video, we're going to learn how to play our next 3 notes on the flute. So for this one, we're going to start with F. You can find all of these fingerings and other songs to play on pages 4 and 5. And once we learn these 3 notes, you'll be able to play lots and lots and lots of new songs. So we're going to start. First, you start with your thumb key. We're going to use the sliver key this time, not the B flat key, the sliver key. We're going to put on our first finger. Remember, first finger goes not on the very first one, but on the second one. Skip a key for second finger and third finger. Then on the bottom, we'll start with our pinky key. And then if you were to put your 3 fingers in order, 1, 2, 3, we're just going to use our first finger. It's important that your fingers that you're not using just stay above the flute. You don't want to kind of curl them under or do anything weird like that. It causes some weird tension in your hand, and also someday when you're playing really fast stuff, you're going to want to be able to use those fingers as you need them. So let's try the F. Ready? Try it again. Ready? Let's try this exercise. 4 Fs and then 4 rests and then 4 Fs. Don't forget to use your tongue and 1 steady stream of air. 1, 2, ready. Rest. 2, 3, 4. The next note that we're going to learn is E flat. It's very easy, like the F. We're going to start with F. So remember, thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, that's the same. And your first finger and your pinky are all the same. Let's add these 2 fingers and then pick up your first finger. When your first finger is raised like that, you still want to keep the first knuckle there touching the flute. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You want to keep it touching the flute so you can still push the flute into your face. Let's try E flat. Ready? Try again. Ready, go. Let's try the exercise. 1, 2, ready. Rest. 2, 3, 4. The last note we're going to learn today is D. It's very similar to E flat. All you have to do is pick up your pinky key from D. Okay, so just a reminder, sliver thumb, oops, there we go, sliver thumb, first finger's raised but still touching the flute, second finger, third finger, 1, 2, 3, and then this one has no pinky. Again, keep your pinky keys above the flute. You don't want them creeping down underneath, otherwise you're going to have some problems later. D sounds like this. Try again. Ready, go. Let's try the exercise. 1, 2, ready. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Let's try putting all 3 of these notes together. Look at number 6 in your book. Moving on up, it's on page 4. And it uses the 3 notes we just learned, D, E flat, and F. One thing that's a good thing to try is just try going from D to E flat, just moving your pinky key a few times. Try it like this. Maybe try stopping your video and try playing it a few times for yourself. And also E flat to F. So E flat is a little more complicated because you're moving some fingers. So from E flat to F, you're going to go from E flat to first finger down and these 2 up. So you have to kind of move them at the same time. So it sounds like this. Try that one too on your own. Go ahead and stop the video. Okay, so for moving on up, let's start by clapping and counting the rhythm. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, rest, rest, rest. Very nice. Now let's try playing your note or saying your note names. I can talk, I promise. Let's try playing your note names, saying your note names. We are also going to use our fingers at the same time. This is what it would be like in real life too, you guys. I always mix up my words. Okay, so we're going to start with D, and we're going to move our fingers as we say the notes. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. D, 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 rest, rest, rest. D, D, Ef, Ef, F. Let's do that again. Ready, go. D, 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 rest, rest, rest. D, D, Ef, Ef, F. Let's try playing it. Again, stop the video and do each of these things as many times as you need to feel comfortable. All right, let's play. 1, 2, number 6. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest.